anywhere else. You will not get that. Maybe when we go to school and the teacher repeats the topic, that's when you can get another chance. Otherwise, when you cover this, you have covered it at that level. Yes, and so so we will continue one now to solve the two equations simultaneously.
Is Asha present?
Asha,
Yes, teacher.
what about Uzai?
Hey, Olavi.
What about Uzai? Are you around? Zairo has been sick. Is she back? She's not yet back. Huh? Okay. We are now solving two equations. You have F alpha is equal to A alpha plus B. You have F beta is equal to A times beta plus capital B. So we want solve those two simultaneously. Find capital A and capital what? B. So I can begin by eliminating B. When you subtract, you have F alpha minus F beta is equal to A alpha minus beta. Is that okay? So which means that our capital A will be F alpha minus F beta over alpha minus beta is equal to capital A. So that one is already got. I've got the value of A in terms of alpha and beta. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? Felix, are we together, Mumbere?
Sir.
So after getting the value of A, we now have to look for the value of B. Either by elimination or by substitution, but we can multiply through by beta and by alpha, and then we eliminate A and we find B. So there are many ways. Either you use substitution method to get this A and put in N of these, solve for B, or you again multiply through by beta the first equation and the alpha the second, and you eliminate A. So it's upon you. But let us use substitution method. Let us use substitution method of saying now F alpha equal to, now instead of A we shall say F alpha minus F beta over alpha minus beta, and our A times alpha plus B. Then we are substituting for A, equation 1. We want to make B a subject. Substituting for A in equation 1. In equation 1. You shall have that. We multiply through, we bring them on the same side. So F alpha minus F alpha minus F beta alpha over alpha minus beta is equal to B. So we put on the same error here, and see whether we can simplify further. We are putting on the same error Cn, and we shall have our alpha alpha minus beta F alpha minus alpha F alpha plus alpha F beta. I'm opening up the brackets. Of alpha minus beta is equal to B. So we shall have now alpha F alpha minus beta F alpha minus alpha F alpha plus alpha F beta of alpha minus beta is equal to capital B. So there are some things which are going, as you can see. Have this going with that, we shall remain with alpha F alpha of beta minus beta F alpha over alpha minus beta is equal to B. So for getting A and B, you now come and put it here and here, and you get a proof. Substitute for A and F. Like we did in the question, which high figure. Yeah, they're using now later disorganized, but the approach is the same. So are we okay, my dear girls and boys who are there, moving from here to here, finding B using substitution method? Can you look through properly and see whether it's okay? Not okay, ask and I explain, please. Feel free and ask. It's a bit tricky as you can see it, but it can be done. The method is the same, only now we are handling letters, not figures like it was last time. But the approach is the same. Christine, are you okay? Are you following? Husna? Patiana Jemba, are we together? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So if we have got now our B capital B and capital A, so we come and substitute therefore Rx. We cannot see from here. Now we are going to substitute. X is equal to X plus B. So Rx is equal to now our A is there, here. We shall say F alpha minus F beta over alpha minus beta X plus our B, which is alpha F beta minus beta F alpha over alpha minus beta. So we have substituted for value of A and B, and see the LCM is the same. So we simply work on the numerator for the denominator is the same. And now we say therefore Rn is now equal to X X alpha minus X X beta plus alpha F beta, F alpha, everything over alpha. Then you can correct the right terms, the F alpha together and the F beta together. So I will now say, this one down here we have x minus beta, F alpha. Then we have beta minus alpha minus alpha minus x, F beta, everything over alpha minus beta. That's what you get. And then check and check the proof. I don't know the answer. What do you mean? You don't have it. I don't give you the question and the answer. So prove that I answer. What's the question? The answer right here, but this one's the proof. So this is how we should have proved that Rx is equal to R. That's the way to go, my dear Sandra. So those who got stuck, that was the way. I have solved that. We're getting the value of A and B, substitute and simplify. And a query was a bit hectic, as you can see, especially for you, the beginners. But you're supposed to do it after covering this topic, you're supposed to handle such questions. So are we okay? Ladies and gentlemen. Daniela, are you okay? Abraham, are you okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that was that question I gave you. So if there is no query, you can now. Is there another question before we look at something else? Because I gave you some numbers, so I don't know whether you are comfortable with them or you got stuck. Hello? It was okay. There was no number that you got stuck.
Number 3C.
Number 3C. X cubed plus square. X cubed. Are you through with this? On the rubber?
Yes, teacher.
X cubed plus x squared minus 2x plus s squared as the remainder 8 when divided with x minus remainder 8 and divided by x minus 2. We'll find the value of A. What was the problem? If you have fx is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 2ax s squared. So if we equate our x minus 2 to 0, shall have f2 is equal to 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 2a times 2 plus 2 squared, and the citizen is equal to 8. The remainder, we shall have 8 plus 4 minus 4a a squared. So that's 4a plus a squared is equal to 8. So we are sorry for the 8. We shall have now a squared minus 4a plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the perfect square. So a is equal to 2. So what was the problem, my son? Have you seen your mistake? You want to ask free?
Yes.
You have seen it, eh?
Yes.
It is okay now. Then
Yes, teacher.
I gave you a hard time. Anybody there with a number which you think was not a proper, it was tricky, and you want us to throw more light? Or you didn't try the exercise, you know, when you don't try it, you have nothing to ask. Number 5. Huh? 5, show that this is divisible. Show that of x cubed plus 16x squared minus 5x minus 5x minus 3 is divisible by 2x minus 1. And find the factors of the expression. Divisible means the remainder is 0. So just equate the dividing as well and half x is equal to a half. And then you try f a half. So that will give us 0. Half 12 times a half plus 16 times a half squared minus 5 times a half minus 3. Then we see whether it will give us a 0. Then we conclude. So this is the 12 over 8 plus 16 over 4 minus 5 over 2 minus 3. Okay. So have here by 4, 2 by 4, 3, by 4, 1, by 4, 4. So we shall have 3 over 2 plus 4 minus 5 over 2 minus 3. And so this is now 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Because the remainder is 0. Is that okay? So after that, then we have to longo divide, factorize. You have to longo divide, you have 12 x cubed plus 16 x squared minus 5x minus 3, and you have 2x minus 1. So this one goes here, 6x squared. Multiply, you have 12x cubed minus 6x squared. You subtract, you have 22. X squared minus 5x. This will be plus 11x. The 22x squared minus 11x. Subtract. You have here, is it 6x minus 3 I say plus 3, have 6x minus 3. After that long revision, then we can now factorize it further. So therefore, we'll have now our total of x cubed plus 16x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to x minus 1 into bracket 6x squared 11x 3. Now we factorize this using our O-level mathematics. Right? I think we shall say 6 times 3 is 18. Factors of 18 that can give you 11 is 992. Then we shall say this is equal now to x minus 1. We shall have 6x squared plus 9x plus 2x plus 3. We shall have 2x minus 1. We have now pull out here 3x. So have 2x plus 3. We shall have plus 2x plus 3. So then this will give us 2x minus 1 to 3x plus 1 2x plus 3. That is how you can factorize that thing completely. So you need some long division. So those who didn't do number 5 properly also there, that's how we can do it. And boarding go like that. Is it okay? Those who didn't do number 5 properly, that's the way to, after showing that it's a factor, then use long division, like I've done, then finally factorize using our OS2 method from teacher X. Ramza, you are back. How are you? Ramza, are you feeling better?
Yes, teacher.
God is good. Eh? Okay. Any other person down there with any number that got stuck? Because I want to leave this. That will be the end of this polynomials. Number 9. Number 9. The expression. Are you through, Arabo?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Number 9 says the expression x squared plus bx plus c is divisible by x minus 1. Is divisible by that. And has a remainder 2 when divided by x plus 1. Remainder is 2. Has given us two divisors, sorry. X minus 1 is a factor because there is no remainder. X plus 1 has a remainder 2. So we shall write our polynomial as fx is equal to ax squared plus 3x plus c. So when you equate this one to 0, we shall have f1. f1 is equal to a1 squared plus b times 1 plus c, and this one, the remainder here is 0. Therefore, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. And then tell that when you divide by x plus 1, the remainder is 2. So we shall have f negative 1 giving us a times negative 1 squared plus b times negative 1 plus c. Then we shall say this one is equal to 2. So we shall have A minus B plus C. This is equation 1. So we have formed two equations. It is another root. Then they say, and has a remainder 8 when divided by x minus 2. And has a remainder 8 when divided by x minus 2. Has a remainder 8 when divided by x minus 2. When divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 8. So we shall say f2 will give us 8 times square plus b times 2c is equal to 8, which is our remainder. So for a plus 2b plus c is equal to 8 is our third equation. So we are going to solve these three equations simultaneously. Elimination and substitution, and look for A, B, and C. That was number 9. You can handle it together with you. So if I have my A plus B plus C is equal to 0. I have my A minus B plus C is equal to 2. And I have my 4A plus 2B plus C equal to 8. And this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So you can use elimination method by subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. You shall have 2b equal to negative 2. So b will be negative 1.
Teacher, you're muted. Teacher, we can't hear you.
Sorry. Can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
So I was saying this is equation 1 and equation 3. Look for A and C. And I put here negative 1. If I take it this side, it becomes a positive 1. That's how I got this equation. If I put here negative 1 to be negative 2, when the process becomes positive. So 8 plus 2 to give us 10. We shall end up with these two equations. Then when we subtract, it will be -3 and -9. So our A will be +3. When we substitute it as this expression above, find C, it should be -2.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, I beg your pardon on how you got 10.
When you put here a -1, because this is -1. So when you put here -1, my daughter, you have a -2. And when a -2 crosses an equal sign, it becomes a plus. So 8 plus 2.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Any other question? Please feel free. Don't fear to ask. This is your own task. You fear to ask, you'll be killing yourself slowly. So, can I assume that this is the number? It is okay, you can do the rest of the numbers comfortably. This little bit which we didn't talk about, this polynomial which I want us to talk about and forget about polynomials. Are we familiar with this? And is there another number that gave you hell and you think I should go through it so that you can be comfortable? I think there is no more number, so let us stop, leave that one at that. Try to do practice, especially in every question paper. I hope you both does that question bank. Please buy an enable question bank. You need it early enough. But when we cover a topic, try those numbers that it is and see whether you can do it and consult where you get stuck. Okay? So we want to look at another sort of remainder that left out. No, it's not here in our back house one. In fact, it's not there in very many books. That is zero. That is zero. Where do you keep coming? I mean, for this computer, I think. For the computer. Where is this plan? It's not on. Yeah, you talk 7% of the project now. Warning. Well, may cause trouble. That's the first period. And you put it to that. Even began with that. Hello? Are we there? Hello? Hello?
Teacher, we are
Yes,
here.
Teacher.
We are waiting for our batteries running down, so we want them to put the fix it before the thing goes off. But we are going to look at this approach of solving for remainder